What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Listen, I'm back with yet another video, and today we are going to be talking about specifically my 4C hair ladies, but for everyone, how to grow your hair and products that I use in order to do so. Okay, now the journey has been a long one. And again, I'm just someone who has watched other videos, taken information from other YouTubers, and applied the things to myself. Okay, so take it for what it is. Definitely do your research, watch the other videos, boom. Okay, now one YouTuber that I've been watching for a long time is Ulovemegz, and for those of you who know and have been watching her for a minute, then you already know that she was relaxed and then she went natural and she's back to being relaxed again. But no matter what one thing that I can say, she's consistent and she knows how to grow her hair. So I tend to look at the people that I've seen growth and progress, and those are the YouTubers that I watch. Like, is your hair growing? What's going on? Boom. Okay, for those of you who've watched me before, welcome back. For those who are part of the gang, thanks for tuning back in. And for those, this is your first time, listen, what you can find here are product reviews, weight gain hacks, talks about organic maca root, and a lot of just mainly products reviews and skincare hacks. If you feel so inclined, press that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell for notifications. I would greatly appreciate it. But let's get into it. My hair has gone through some things, okay? Period, point blank. You know, sometimes, I don't know about y'all, but I watch people's videos and literally they make things look so easy. The styling, the maintenance, what have you. And I'm not even gonna sit here and pretend. For me, someone who does have 4C hair, it is not an easy road, and things do require time and patience. However, I think there's a misconception that black hair cannot grow, and that's just simply not true. Now, there are some people that no matter what they do to their hair is going to grow. They don't have any specific regimen. They could use whatever product, they can do whatever, right? And it's still gonna be just not damaged or anything, not falling out, not breaking, because they just have those genes. But that does not mean that you cannot grow your hair. I watched Ulovemegz video, and I've talked about aloe vera before, but briefly. Okay, now it truly is something that is good for hair and good for skin. Okay, period, point blank. Watch other videos, read up on it, you'll see. Now, I had purchased some aloe vera off of Amazon, and again, I'm the type of person that I want something to be readily available, or else quite honestly, sometimes I just don't get to doing what I need to do. I bought an aloe vera plant, I used that thing once or twice, cut it up, and I just didn't use it like that. So I decided to, especially upon the recommendation of Ulovemegz, just buy this Lily of the Valley aloe vera juice. Why? Because when I need it, I can just open it up and pour it. I'm not cutting up nothing, and I know that sounds extremely lazy, but I'm just telling y'all how I am. It's more convenient for me to do this, okay? The maintenance for the hair is already a situation. Listen, so this is easy for me, okay? Just getting the aloe vera juice pre-made, boom, 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 it's done. I pour it into something, easy peasy, okay? Now, that Lily of the Valley is one thing that I use, and then this Rosewater, upon the recommendation, my sister has also been on this for a minute. This is the one without glycerin or glycerin, however you pronounce it, but you can definitely get the one with glycerin if you'd like. Glycerin, it's totally up to you, your preference. Again, this is without, okay? Yeah, so that's something I'm still researching, but whatever. This one has no glycerin in it, okay? And I have that. Another thing that I use and I've talked about briefly before, Cream of Nature's Argan Oil Line. This is an empty bottle because I'm going to actually pour a concoction for hair growth into this to show you all. But This line, cream of argan oil line, I really do like it. I feel like it really smells great. It has a lot of moisture, cream, and slip for my hair. And so I love it. I do love this line, okay? I've talked about this before. I still swear by it. Main Choice Growth Oil. Main Choice Growth Oil. This stuff was founded by a nurse, I believe. And she has a whole product line. I'm sure some of you have used some of her other products, but this growth oil really does work, and it smells amazing. I love the fact that it comes in this little bottle with a tip, so when my hair is in these twists or it's in cornrows, whatever, I can just literally take it and apply. Boom, 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 boom. Love this stuff. Use it sparingly. A little goes a long way, which is how I use most of my products, to be honest with you. A little goes a long way. This stuff is legit. It works. Carrington Organic Coconut Oil is very hot here in Cali, so as you can see, my stuff is purely liquid right now, actually. This stuff I use for everything. I use it all over my body. I use it in my hair. You can use it to cook. This stuff is the truth. You can eat it straight up. Coconut oil is amazing. I use it for oil pulling. I use it for teeth whitening. I love this stuff. I use it in my hair because it's not too heavy and it smells great. I love this stuff. I can't stress it enough. Something that I actually don't have right in front of me, Jamaican black castor oil. You use it to thicken your hair. My edges aren't as thick as I'd like them to be, but that's still something that I'm working on. I've used it on my edges. I've used Jamaican black castor oil on my eyebrows, and that also does really work. It doesn't smell the greatest, and it's super thick. So again, I use it sparingly, but that stuff really does work. Let's get into making the growth product, okay? This has been in the refrigerator because of course I've already opened it, but this bottle will last you like 5 to 6 months after you open it. Keep it refrigerated. You have to keep it refrigerated, and after you make your concoction, also keep that refrigerated because of the aloe vera juice that's in it, okay? So let's get into it. Really simple. I'm gonna pour some in here. I don't know why that sound relaxes me, but I'm that person that likes to listen to rain sounds and stuff, just in case you guys didn't know. Just to relax me and to go to sleep. I really like the sound of that. I know I'm weird. Okay, so that's like that much. Like it's literally like half the bottle, okay? So I put half the bottle of the aloe vera juice in there. Then I'm going to add my Rosewater. Heritage Store Rosewater. You can use whatever kind you prefer. I don't measure anything. I just do it like that. I poured some Rosewater in there, so it's literally up to here now, okay? Poured the Rosewater in there. And whatever oils you love, then you can definitely add that to this mixture. What I'm gonna do today is add extra virgin olive oil. I always use the one that's in a glass bottle. This is the Cola Vita brand, but I've definitely used other brands that are amazing. I got this off of Amazon. The links to everything will be in the description. And just that much. Boom. Just pour my olive oil right into the bottle, okay? So we have our aloe vera juice, our rose water, our olive oil, okay? And then I add a little bit of lavender oil. This brand is Heavenly Pure. It's 100% pure and natural, okay? The ingredients literally say lavandula oil. That's it. That's it. That's it. Lavender oil is good for so many things. To relax you. You all know I'm all about mood, energy, and focus. This stuff relaxes you. The aroma itself is very pleasant, okay? But it is also very good for your skin and hair. Now, of course, with everything, some people have skin allergies to certain things. So, of course, test, you know, a small section of your skin, what have you, before proceeding. Do your research. But I love lavender oil. It works for me. I'm going to go ahead and add some in here. Boom, not too much. This smells amazing. Woo! Yes. Yes. Okay, so lavender oil. You can add avocado oil to this, which is what Ulovemegz did. You can add whatever other oils that you regularly put in your hair and on your skin into this, but I'm just leaving those for now. I'm just using those, okay? Excuse this dirty bottle, like I said. And then I shake it up. I shake it up. This is just good to moisturize your hair on a regular basis. Okay, it's just good to moisturize your hair on a regular basis. And my hair is in a bunch of mini twists. It's in a bunch of mini twists, but then what I did was put it into 2 big twists. That's it. That's literally all that's happening with my hair. Two big twists, and then I leave it. Especially during this quarantine time. Now, and then I'll let out, say I want to wear a hairstyle, I'll just let out the twist, and then I'll just have it like ding, picture inserted. So yeah, that is what I do. But you just shake this up, and literally I apply this before twisting up my hair. So before I twist it up, especially on wash day, whatnot, I just go in, do this all over, and then once done using this concoction, I go in with my coconut oil and my main choice, and just literally, I've just put it on my hands like so, and just put it on my scalp and on my hair. I want to say this, I neglected my hair for a month, y'all. When I say neglected, I wasn't moisturizing it. I wasn't adding any oil. I wasn't doing anything. When I went to wash my hair just a couple days ago, this thing was a dry, matted mess. A dry, matted mess. But when I tell you that I used this concoction, because I have another bottle of it, of course, but I just wanted to show y'all today. I have another bottle in the fridge. When I use this concoction, literally it softened my hair like crazy, hair shining. This stuff it works wonders. I'm trying to tell you. We can grow hair. The problem is that because we don't always take care of it like we should, okay? Because we're not wrapping it at night with a satin scarf or whatnot, or a silk bonnet, what have you. Our hair can easily be broken, especially if you have a coarser texture, a kinkier texture hair, 4C hair. So you have to be on top of it. Even in neglecting my hair though, when I use this, like I was really shocked that it wasn't like super matted and tangled, and that after a month of neglecting it, it was still pretty much, it was easy to kind of get through and detangle, and still has some shine and softness to it. I was actually really amazed, because I hate doing my hair. I'm not gonna sit here and pretend. Some people might love it. I've watched videos where people are like, oh my gosh, this is so relaxing. I don't like doing my hair. Literally, I get anxiety when it's time to wash my hair, because, and I understand there are people with way thicker, way longer hair than me, but it really is a process, and for me, an all-day affair. Really. Yeah, I take a lot of breaks and just sit down and dreading things for a while, so that could add to the time, but it's a lot. But I'm trying to tell you guys, these products, I'm trying to tell you. And as far as things that I take, I'll definitely talk about those things in another video as well. If you'd like me to, comment and let me know. But you know I've talked about it before. Collagen. This ish right here. This is my own Get It How You Live Vitality brand. Collagen is good for skin, hair, and nails. And I can honestly say, you guys, that my hair, my brows, my lashes, clearly I take product that you know about, the Latisse and whatnot, but the supplements that I take as well, I think truly do contribute to the growth of my hair, and collagen is a staple. Collagen is a staple, okay? So yeah, that is about it. I thank you guys so much for rocking with me. Thanks for tuning in. Again, if you feel so inclined, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Press that thumbs up. Hit that bell for notifications, and I most definitely will be back with more. All right? Thanks for tuning in, and I'll holla.